So here we'll continue with this. So here can also calculate the moments about the origin by differentiating the characteristic function n number of times. So here we can write the equation as d to the power n by d j omega to the power n phi x of j omega as integral minus infinity to plus infinity x to the power n fx of x e to the power j omega x dx. So now suppose if we put w is equal to 0 and using the expectation operator, so it will be yielding expectation of x to the power n is equal to d to the power n by d j omega to the power n phi x of j omega, where w is set to 0. So this we are going to see in the next problem. So here we are going to consider a power series expansion which is used for e to the power j omega function. So for such power series expansion, we'll see what is the characteristic function. So here the characteristic function for e to the power j omega, it can be expressed as phi x of j omega is equal to 1 plus j omega by 2 factorial plus j omega whole square by 3 factorial plus j omega whole cube by 4 factorial and so on. So this is the characteristic function which is used for representing the power series expansion which is used for e to the power j omega. So now for this we can apply the expectation operator. So here expectation of x is equal to d by dj omega, whatever the equation that we have seen here above. So the same equation it is going to be used here. So here using that we can write the expectation of x as d by d of j omega is equal to phi x of j omega with w is equal to 0. So whatever the characteristic function is been given, so that is going to be differentiated for one time. So here you can see that n is 1 here. So whatever d by d of j omega we have written, so that in that we are seeing n is equal to 1. So here when you differentiate this whole characteristic function for a single time, so here you can see that differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of j omega is 1 by 2 factorial plus 2j omega by 3 factorial plus 3j omega whole square by 4 factorial and so on. So like that you will be getting the equation, right? So suppose in that if you substitute w is equal to 0 for the first time differential answer. So here you can see that. So this term will be 0. So either the differentiation in bandirutte 1 by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So here we will be left with 1 by 2 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2j omega by 3 factorial ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here when you substitute omega is equal to 0, so these all terms will become 0. So here we'll left with the answer 1 by 2. So here this gives the mean of the characteristic function phi x of j omega. Similarly, you can also calculate the second moment about the origin for a given characteristic function which is expressed as e to the power j omega. And for that here, since expectation is square of the random variable, so it represents that we need to integrate the characteristic function two times. So here what we can write, d square by d j omega whole square phi x of j omega with omega is equal to 0. So that you need to remember. Always you need to set omega is equal to 0 when you want to calculate the various moments about the origin. So here this function it has to be differentiated twice. So here differentiation of a constant is 0 for the first time. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 plus 2j omega by 3 factorial plus 3j omega whole square by 4 factorial and so on. So like that you will be getting. And when you differentiate for the second time, so already this term is 0. So here 1 by 2 factorial irutte, so which is a constant. So when you take the differentiation for the second time, so this will also be 0. And here we had left with 2j omega by 3 factorial irutte. When you differentiate for the second time, so it will be left with 2 by 3 factorial plus 3 into 2j omega by 4 factorial and so on. So like that you will be getting the answer. So when you substitute omega is equal to 0, so we left only with the term 2 by 3 factorial. So ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 by 3 factorial is nothing but you will be getting 1 by 3 because 2 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2. 2 gets cancelled. So that will be left with 1 by 3. So you just simplify, try that and get the answer. And next we are going to uh, take one more example for the Bernoulli random variable. For the Bernoulli random variable, the characteristic function, it is given by q plus p e to the power j omega. So for this, similarly, you can apply the expectation of a random variable about its origin. So for the first order moment, expectation of x, which will be giving the mean value. So d by d j omega is equal to phi x of j omega. So here you can see that. So for the first time differentiation, this will be 0. Q is a constant, so here it will be left with 0. So plus we'll be having p j omega into e to the p into e to the power j omega. So that is the differentiation. So when you substitute omega is equal to 0, so here you will be left with p into 1. So that will be giving the answer as p itself. So similarly, you can show the calculation for the expectation of square of a random variable. So we left only with p to the power j omega. So once again, if you differentiate this, once again you will be getting p to the power j omega. So with omega is equal to 0, once again it will be giving the answer p. So you can repeat this for n number of moments. The answer will remain same as p. This is the special feature for the Bernoulli random variable that you can check it. So in the next class, we'll discuss the functions of a single random variable. So what we do is, so two more topics are there, functions of single random variable and conditioned random variable. So these two topics are there. I'll be completing the theory part of these two, and then we'll take up the problems on the characteristic function, functions of a single random variable and the conditioned random variable. So at this point, we'll wind up. Thank you.